Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and tools, enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect via ADB. Once done, install a chosen automation app like Tasker or Automate on the phone and set up ADB on your computer so commands transfer reliably. Make sure to grant required permissions when prompted. This avoids permission-related failures later. Now create a new project or profile in the app and name it. This first action establishes the trigger you will expand in the next steps. You now design the core flow. Pick a trigger such as time, location, or app launch, then add sequential actions that achieve the task. For example, tap UI elements, send intents, run shell commands through ADB or change settings. Use variables to store state, conditions to branch logic, and short delays to ensure UI elements load. This prevents race conditions. Test each action iteratively. Run the flow step by step and observe logs. If something skips, insert a brief delay and retry the failing action. You finish by validating the complete automation under realistic conditions. Run it start to finish and watch logs to confirm each step completed. Once stable, add retry logic and fallback actions for fragile steps and create notifications so you know when automation fails. Export or backup your project. That protects work and simplifies deployment to other devices. If something goes wrong, check logs for permission denials or timing out UI elements. Retry with increased delays and re-grant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.